Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I want to discuss why online income is more effective for women. As technology has paved the way for progress, it has also brought many opportunities for women. Online platforms have leveled the playing field, broken barriers to earning side income online, and enabled women from all walks of life to explore multiple avenues of income generation. Online income is the most effective for women if they can work in some major sector. Let's know it. Fill forms. You can also get cash for filling out forms. Fusion Cash offers data entry jobs and pays very well. All you need are typing skills. A similar offer is available from Project Payday. Women can easily do it alongside their family work. E-commerce and online marketplaces. One of the most significant opportunities for women online is in e-commerce and online marketplaces. These platforms allow women to showcase their entrepreneurial skills by selling handmade crafts, vintage items or unique products. Freelancing and remote work. The rise of remote work and freelancing has created many opportunities for women to work on their terms. Various freelance platforms, such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr, offer job opportunities spanning writing, graphic design, programming, virtual assistants, and many other fields. Women can leverage their skills and expertise, creating a flexible work schedule that suits their lifestyles and priorities. Check out the cosmetics. Another effectively option is product testing. If you're testing cosmetics, skincare products, nail products, and the like, you're probably safe. You either earn money or keep the product you tested after giving feedback. You can find skin creams, anti-aging products, and cosmetics in your home. Presenter. Women's another effective earning way is to become a presenter. It can be online, some product presentations, some news presenters, also anything can be presented over video. The presenter has a high value in the online job field market and also in the media industry. Thanks for watching. For more videos, keep touch with us. Like, share and subscribe our channel.